amount of looks I got in Napa. Everybody was staring at my car. Sounds so good. Wow. He's like 12. That cop was not legal to drive. He was literally 12. They still have Crown Vics over here?
Yeah, crazy, right?
All Middletown has Chargers and Explorers.
That's all. Cromwell has all Explorers.
There's a lot of Middletown Chargers I didn't even know they had.
Like townies?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
This thing sounds turboed when I smoke, like, head up really.
Oh yeah, Bud, does it?
It does. Like, it literally does. Like, alright, just wait. Just wait. It sounds like it's turboed. It doesn't feel like it's turboed. It sounds like it's turboed. It's weird because I've never had a car that sounds like it's literally, it sounds like it's turbo. Just because of the exhaust. Like, just don't make me fucking smile, you mono habit ass bitch.
Come here, give me a kiss.
No.
Alright, let's hear the turbo. Oh, what is this?
Fucking junk. Okay, not getting lost.
Right now I got another one.
Oh, nice. I got your jack. I forgot to grab. Right when I left, I figured out that I forgot your torque wrench or your breaker bar.
I don't give a shit. I know where you live, boy.
I know. I literally couldn't even find mine. I put a bunch of tools away and just can't find anything.
This thing is so fucking low.
Should be driver. Unless they're flipped on this, I don't know.
This thing is spotless. Not a lick of rust. Except for this, I'm not sure what the fuck that is. Oh, it's just a guard for the. Looks like it. I don't know if it's broken or not. Yeah, whatever. Got some oil on here. That's fine. Little gasket action. This thing ain't seen snow ever.
Super clean.
Yeah, it's the first time it's on the lift. As you guys saw in the last video, it was completely stock. Wait, yes, it was completely stock besides the wheels that we put on.
Yep.
That's right. And yeah, so this earlier in the week he put cat back.
No, cat and full cat. Fucking test pipe and cat back.
Can't talk right now. And coilovers. So yes, as you saw when we were at AutoZone, it is a lot lower and looks so much better. Well, when you lower these cars, I guess, especially with these coilovers, what do you gotta do?
Gotta go down. I forgot my socket in the car.
What are we doing today?
Oh, let me get the lock on. There we go. I have to do the axles and the. Oh, we didn't even look at the control arms yet either. I don't even know if they're the right ones now. We'll find out.
Axles and control arms?
Yep.
Axles and control arms. I guess when you lower these, you tend to have to do them. And he's just doing them, just preventative maintenance too. So.
We don't have to, but I want to.
Yeah. See.
It
There you
had
go.
a leak.
So that's what's gonna happen today. I am going to be sitting in this chair because, like he said, might have mono, or I'm getting over it, and I am so tired. Like not I want to sleep tired, but like I'm just fatigued, I guess. So yeah, I'm just here babysitting his ass. But yeah.
Alright.
Got this side done for control arm. This is serrated. This is, I guess, a spot to twist on. For some reason, this nut, this nut is not letting us spin this to the point where we're lifting the car up. So we'll pull it out and put it in the vise. And yes, I know it's dirty in here. Somebody actually commented on a video and said it gives some anxieties. It gives them anxiety because my garage is so dirty. Yes, 100%. I actually almost fell over laughing when I read that. This shit was hilarious. It is what it is. Yeah, this whole space doubles as a family business storage area. So. Let's see if the vise works.
Coochie, man.
Maybe try spinning it the other way. I think the threads are reversed.
Yeah, but this spins up. There we go.
Oh, I was fucking right! I was fucking right! I knew it, because the other one you were spinning it the wrong way. I'm like, why is it working?
These are confusing. They're like lefty.
I fucking knew it.
Alright.
1-0 me. Alrighty. Control arm is done. Crudely aligned. Should be pretty good.
Pussy.
Now, he's gonna get up in there and hold the brakes. I'm gonna try to spin this. Because now we're doing the axles. Obviously gotta get replaced. Yeah, normally we would put the wheel on, lower the car and take it off like that, but not in this one. All right, ready? It's always a bigger wrench.
There's always a bigger fish.
Try it again, ready? Jesus fuck. You have to put the wheel back on, put the car on the ground. No flame, no work. Flame, no work. All right, we finally got it. I had to set it down. I had to sit inside while pressing the brake, and he still fought it. He was like, what were you doing, hanging off of it?
Hanging off it, then I stood on it and broke it.
Yeah. And this is the beefy, like, 3-4 footer one. So, that thing was on there.
Rod, where did I put it when I came in?
I don't know.
I grabbed it, right? Out of
That's
the
the
car?
old one.
Did I grab it? Or did I just bring this in? I swear I grabbed it.
This tie rod end was so fucked up. You can see how bent it got.
Oh, right here. This other one's
Yeah, you
got
can kinda
one,
see.
so I can't go with that.
Yeah, I think got fucked up. Ran out and bought a new one.
Two new ones.
2 new ones by an accident. Oh, here it is.
Because I can replace the other one next week.
Yeah. So, where is it? Right here. This was the only way really to get it out. When we got it out. Actually, it let go as we were tightening it. He's like, what the heck? It's not going. And then all of a sudden it goes, boom! And came out. They're not supposed to be hard, but it was f***ing rusted. So, pull the axle out, about to shoot the new one in. We gotta figure out how to fill the tranny back up with fluid. So, be right back. Alright. Everything's on. Refilled the trans. Very weird. It took us like 10-15 minutes to try to figure out where the fill plug was because there's no like straightforward looking at anything on the trans. But yeah, putting everything on. It's gonna be a nuisance taking this off of the lift because this was kind of a hassle putting it on, surprisingly, only because of the side skirts. So we'll be right back. Camber's a little better in the rear. We only did a rough adjustment, so we'll have to mess that tomorrow. And by we, I mean him.
Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe.
After today, I think that's not like that. I'll feel all day.
So getting this on here because of the side skirts. The pinch welds and the jack points are way under there. So my arms are a little fat. So we gotta do jack the car up, front and back, and just scoot them out.
Yeah. My favorite channel locks. They were yellow when I came here.
Oof. She's a piece.
Shit. More? Whoops. Okay.
Skirt. Just that front bumper just barely cools. Move anywhere until you start moving.
I'm gonna put it in gear, make sure everything feels smooth, then I'm gonna grab. Holy tits, it's so much better.
Yeah, well the fluid was dirty as hell.
Oh man, that's nice.
Ow! Ow!
Is there anything in front of my car?
No, there shouldn't be.
I'll make sure.
That's so loud. God, you're good. Oh, I was getting some good B-roll. That's it on that. We'll give you an update. A few days from now. See how everything feels on his car. Hopefully mono goes away for me so we can continue some stuff. I gotta finish filming some stuff with Cesar. But yeah, we'll be back. But for now, signing off on this slow but whatever video. Peace.